And if you know any young people who may be interested, Jubilee is going to unveil the party's internship and young leadership academy. We are going to lead the way. We don't speak about things, we do them. We are going to have a leadership academy. We're working on a prospectus which will complete and launch and make public soon. So if you know young people, vibrant, who are interested in interning on leadership here with us, provided they are loyal to Jubilee ideals, we will have them. At the end of every year, you will see in the academy, we will have a way of assessing those that will be with us, and 2 or 3 of those who will excel may even be sponsored to undertake further studies on matters public policy and leadership and so on. We don't want to prescribe to the country what needs to be done. We want to work with Kenya's young people. We don't want to tell them to come. We want them to be involved, to occupy leadership while they are within the party. And you have seen the decisions we have taken today, how many former student leaders we have brought on board, and the direction we are going in this matter. Finally,